Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Amazon haul. The wedding season is in full swing, so I thought of recommending you guys some amazing, affordable and great quality eyeshadow palettes from Amazon. There is an amazing Amazon wedding collection in which you can buy some amazing products, especially for the wedding season. There is a huge sale running at the moment. They are having some amazing discounts on most of the products and you have so many different options to choose from. There are great, affordable, good quality products with some amazing discount on them. And not to mention, they have amazing delivery as well. You can get all of these products delivered to your doorstep in a day or two. How amazing is that? So without wasting any more time, let me share my favorite affordable eyeshadow palettes that are available on Amazon for the wedding season. Before beginning with the video, let me show you a quick tip and trick to make your eye makeup look perfect and how to prep them properly for the winter season. Use any hydrating eye cream that you have on your under eyes as well as on top of your eyelids and gently massage it so that the eye area is completely moisturized and hydrated and doesn't crack or doesn't dry or get dehydrated for the winter. Once that is done, apply any eye primer of your choice so that the creases on your eyes are further filled in and also so that your eyeshadows look vibrant and popping on the eyelids, and also they become very long lasting and they do not budge on the eyes. The first palette that I have is from Wet n Wild. This is a great affordable eyeshadow palette and perfect for Indian skin tones. This is in the variant My Glamour Squad. It's a beautiful compact eyeshadow palette and it has got some amazing shades that will work on Indian complexion so well. It's got a bunch of different shades of brown and a matte black eyeshadow, which I think is a super must in any eyeshadow palette. You have a few options of shimmer golds and some pinks as well, which is perfect for the wedding season. In my opinion, these kind of shades are very beautiful and they complement Indian skin tones so beautifully. Not to mention, this is such a great beginner friendly palette. You don't have to worry about choosing different shades of eyeshadow. There is a good selection of eyeshadow shades put in this palette, which makes it perfect for beginners. Not only that, these eyeshadows perform amazing on the eyes. They are buttery smooth and they have very good pigmentation and they are super affordable. Not only you can use them as eyeshadows, but you can use these two shades of brown as a contouring or bronzing product as well. It's kind of a multifunctional product. It comes at such a great price on Amazon with great discount. Next, I have some amazing recommendation from Makeup Revolution. I'm holding two of these eyeshadow palettes here because they come in a combo, so it's such a value for money combo. The prices of these palettes are slashed at the moment and it is such a steal deal. So these eyeshadow palettes are from their Reloaded collection. This one is called Red Alert and this one is called Marvelous Mattes. I think these eyeshadow palettes are such a good combo, especially if you're into makeup and you like to experiment a bit with your makeup look. The Red Alert palette is such a stunning palette to have for the wedding season because it has got some amazing shades of eyeshadows that are perfect for the wedding season. I've used two of these matte shades on my eyes right now and you can see how much of pigmentation and punch they have. And these eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution are amazing eyeshadow palettes. I would vouch for them any day because they're extremely pigmented, they blend beautifully on the eyelids, they just pop on your eyes basically. The Red Alert eyeshadow palette in particular has some amazing, beautiful, stunning shades that work on Indian complexions so well. It has a bunch of matte pink shades, some burgundy, a couple of brown shades, a peach one, a bronze, a gold, a purple as well. You can pretty much get different tones of eyeshadow work done with the single palette itself. Now coming to the Marvelous Mattes palettes, OMG, how stunning is this eyeshadow palette. If you're into colorful eyeshadows, you should definitely pick this up. It has got some amazing, vibrant, bold, matte eyeshadows here. You can also use this palette in concoction with the Red Alert palette as an accent on your eyes as well. That would look really nice. This has some beautiful yellow, red, purple, pink, green, blue, all sort of different popping, vibrant shades of eyeshadows. You could probably just use one of these brighter shades on your lower lash line or on the inner corner as well to add an accent to your eye makeup. If you're wearing a colorful outfit, I think that would look amazing on you. These two palettes are a steal deal combo that is available on Amazon, so grab it if you're into them. The next eyeshadow palette that I have is from Lakme, and this is from their 9 to 5 collection. This variant is called Desert Rose and it is such a classic one. In my opinion, this is a beautiful, great, basic eyeshadow palette to have. It's got 4 different neutral shades of shimmer and all of these shades look great on Indian complexions. And not only that, I really love these 9 to 5 eyeshadow quartets from Lakme. I think they have some amazing pigmentation to them. They are buttery smooth in texture. They almost give this feel of a high-end luxury eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful, easy to go, simple eyeshadow palette. If you're a beginner or if you're a person who likes very simple sort of makeup, then you should really check this one out because it's very basic and you can easily use this palette. The next eyeshadow palette I have is from Faces Canada. This is their All Time Pro eyeshadow palette and this variant is called Nude. Really like the packaging of this eyeshadow palette. It's very sleek and slender and it has got some beautiful eyeshadows here. It's got a lot of nude and neutral shades which again I think look amazing on Indian skin tones. This is the perfect eyeshadow palette to go for if you're into nude and neutral looks. Again, these eyeshadows are buttery smooth and they have some amazing pigmentation to them. These deeper shades and browns look amazing on dusky and deeper complexions as well. They show up pretty well. You get a lot of brown tones in this eyeshadow palette with a beautiful champagne gold as well as a pink and a grey toned eyeshadow. So not only you can create soft glam makeup looks, but you can also create a nice smoky eye with this single palette itself. It is great to travel with because it can fit easily in any of your makeup pouches. The next eyeshadow palette that I have is from Maybelline and this is from their City Mini eyeshadow palette range. This variant is called Central Park Brights and OMG, I absolutely love the color selection of this eyeshadow palette. Look how beautiful eyeshadow colors are present in this palette. Though it's a tiny little eyeshadow palette, I think they have nailed it with the color selection of this palette. These eyeshadows look incredible on the eyes. Again, they have a lot of pigmentation to them. I personally am a sucker for duochrome, so I fell in love with this eyeshadow palette. And the shades in this eyeshadow palette is to die for. I've used this coppery greenish gold duochrome eyeshadow on my eyelids today, as you can see, and it looks absolutely stunning. It has a beautiful shift when you move your head around. This eyeshadow palette would complement a lot of your Indian outfits, so it is such a beautiful and perfect wedding eyeshadow palette to have. There is a small pop of green as well present in this palette, so you can totally add this as a nice pop of color on your eye makeup. Again, it's a super tiny little slender palette, so you can easily slip this into any of your makeup bags if you're traveling. I absolutely recommend and love the Central Park Brights eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. The next eyeshadow palette recommendation that I have for you guys is a ginormous one, and this is from the brand Swiss Beauty, which most of you guys love, and honestly I love Swiss Beauty eyeshadows too. So this is from their Pro range. This single eyeshadow palette has all different shades of eyeshadows that you would ever require to create any sort of eye makeup. Just look at the pigmentation they have as well. It is incredible. It's got a ton of different pink eyeshadows as well as a bunch of golds, a lot of purples, greens, blues, all the shades that you would ever require, and a nice matte black eyeshadow as well. You can create neutral or colorful looks depending upon your liking as well as your outfits for the wedding season. It's got very nice pigmentation, blends decently on the eyes. Not only that, this packaging has a tiny little mirror as well with 2 different eyeshadow applicator brushes, which is really cool because these sort of eyeshadow palettes never come with a mirror. The mirror is such a great idea. Again, if you're into makeup, you like to play around with a lot of your looks, then you should definitely invest in this palette. Or even if you're a makeup artist who is just starting out with your business, you can totally check this palette out. I think this will come in very handy for you to create a bunch of different eyeshadow looks. You can absolutely use this palette if you're a wedding guest, a bridesmaid, or even a bride, because this has some amazing selection of eyeshadows. Like I said, you can create any sort of eye makeup look with this single palette itself, so it will be a great investment. And right now this is on an amazing discount on the Amazon wedding collection, so I highly recommend the Swiss Beauty Pro eyeshadow palette as well. Then I have a few single eyeshadows to recommend. The first single glitter that I have is from Wet n Wild. How cute and tiny this Wet n Wild glitter is. This is in the shade Groupie. This is an extremely affordable glitter. It's in this very beautiful deep pink shade. The formula of this glitter is sort of like a pasty glitter. You can easily take this product on your finger and see how intense it looks, and just dab it on top of your eyelids to amp up and to add a lot of glitz and glam to your eye makeup. A quick tip for this product would be that you can apply a tad bit of any glitter glue that is available with you on your eyes before you apply this product, and just dab it and it won't move anywhere. And this glitter is gonna make your eyes pop a lot because it is extremely intense and glittery on the eyes. This is such a little perfect glitter to have, especially if you're a beginner, since it is extremely affordable, and right now the price is even more lesser because of the Amazon wedding sale. So if you want a nice popping glitter for your eyes, then definitely pick the Wet n Wild one. The final product that I have to share with you guys is the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Earthly Bronze, which is such a stunning coppery gold eyeshadow color. I have a ton of different shades in the same Swiss Beauty range as well because I love it so much. First of all, I love the packaging. It's such a little sleek packaging, and you have this really nice doe foot applicator. The application becomes super easy on your eyelids with this applicator. This is an extremely intense foiled glittery liquid eyeshadow. If you want the full intensity of this product, you can directly apply it on top of your eyelids using the same doe foot applicator for that really punchy effect. Or if you want a softer sparkly effect on your eyes, then you can take a little bit on the back of your hand, just dab it with your finger and apply it on top of your eyelids like I did today. I just applied a little bit of this eyeshadow right on the center of my eyelids to just amp up my eye makeup and to add a bit of sparkliness. This is an extremely intense, smooth liquid eyeshadow, and I can't really believe how affordable this product is because it is amazing and one of my favorites. And not only that, you can easily create a cut crease look with this liquid eyeshadow because of the doe foot applicator that it comes with. If you struggle with cut crease looks, then you should absolutely check this out, or even if you're not, you should definitely have one of these in your kit, because in my opinion, I think this is a must-have product. It is so beautiful and looks amazing on the eyes. Especially the shade Earthly Bronze is such a gorgeous color for Indian skin tones. Those were all of my eyeshadow recommendations for the wedding season from the Amazon wedding collection. There are some amazing offers and discounts going on at the moment for the wedding season. You have a bunch of options and varieties to choose from, which are super affordable but great in quality as well. And not only that, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can literally get all of these products delivered in a day or two from Amazon to your doorstep, and how cool is that? I'm pretty sure if you were to buy all of these products from any other retailing shops, then you would pay a crazy amount of money for the same. So make use of the Amazon wedding sale. They have some amazing discounts and sale going on. Also, all the products that I showed you in today's video will be listed in the description box. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!